What is up guys, I'm Ivor and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the cool song transition.
Just did a bad thing from hell. For oh my god, that's my baby Caroline.
So there are two types of viral transitions for this song. First one is this one. She is one of my favorite TikTokers. That one sitting down looks pretty easy, so you just place your clothes on top of the chair, and when it hits the beat, you just put the clothes on your body. That's it. So I'm gonna try to challenge her version because it looks like she put her phone on top of the ceiling or something. Okay, let's go. So for the first scene, we're gonna sit on the bed like this and then lay down. For the next scene, I'm gonna put on some makeup and bring out the swaggiest, the bougiest, the baddest outfit that I have.
This bitch is a catfish.
Figure that she stick her phone on top of the ceiling. So I got myself these sticky pad. So basically this is a thing that you can stick whatever you want, as long as it's like a hard surface. But if you guys don't have that kind of thing, you can use a tape. If I can reach the
Bruh.
the things we do for TikTok, bish! I don't trust this 100%, so I'm gonna use this and the tape together so it doesn't fall on my face. Alright, once your phone is secure on the fan or ceiling, if you're tall enough, you can just set it on timer. Wait, I'm not ready yet. Shit, how do you stop this thing? Oh shit, it's recording. Oh shit, I just fell off. Wait, no, I'm not tall enough to stop this. Ah! It's okay, keep trying, don't give up. One eternity later. Ta-da! I'm finally satisfied with this.
Bruh.
Guys, look. I accidentally turned on the fan and my phone is just there. There's 3 different filters and combine it in one video. Now let's go to my favorite filter app, Prequel. I'm using this new effect called Story, where you can also change the words. I changed it to bad thing because that part of the song that goes bad thing, and adjust the position of the words to the middle or wherever you want it to be, and save the video. Once you're done saving, just go back and choose another filter. Now you're gonna combine the first part, which has no filter, and the second part, which has 3 different filters. Now go to VideoLeap and upload your original video. Tap on the video, tap on split, and split at the part before that goes bad thing, which is also the part where you lay down. Now for the first filter, we only need the bad thing part, so the rest of them we can split it and throw it away. Once you're done, it'll look something like this. We have this original first part and the first filter that says the word bad thing. Get it? Now we move on to the second filter that says fine as hell. Now just repeat the steps that you just did and keep the part where you're lip singing to fine as hell and delete the rest of them. And finally, upload the third filter and repeat the step that you just did. So for the last filter is where we do the little rotation thing. So tap on the video and tap on the little keyframe button from the start and drag all the way to the end and tap again on the keyframe button. And this is how you achieve the effect of slow rotating. Now go to the part where it says baby, because that's where I rotate both my arms according to beats, and tap on the keyframe button. Put the next keyframe button at the part where your hands are rotating to the other side. Now land on the second keyframe and use 2 fingers to rotate the video clockwise and enlarge it at the same time. Okay, let's create a third keyframe because this time we're gonna rotate it anti-clockwise according to our hand movement. Now at the fourth keyframe, at the part where my hands were rotating back to the center. Once you're done with the keyframes, it'll look something like this. And finally, let's go on TikTok and upload the video that I just did, add some bling effect, add the stickers. I love using the alphabet letter stickers for songs like this. Yep, thick with double C's. So that's all I got for you guys. If you have any questions, just leave comments down below.
Don't be shy, leave comment.
Like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.